Welcome to this tutorial on how to use BLUMORPHO networking platform. So first, make sure you use Google Chrome for a better experience on the platform. So first, paste the link you got to join the networking room on the toolbar and access the tool. So once you arrive here, you can either create an account or connect as a guest. So today I will show how to create an account. So we'll call it testing at test. Here, put your address. Then you can save the address and password if you want, of course. Then put your first name, your last name. You can choose how it will be displayed in the networking room, and then click on continue. Test your password. Set up your password. And then accept and read, if you want, the general terms of use and the privacy policy, and confirm you're not a robot. Here, your account is created. Now, the tool will ask you to check your devices. So first, the camera. And you will have to take a picture so people can see you, or you can also not take the picture. So I will take the picture. And you can now get into the space. So verify your speaker. You can test by clicking on play. And then once it's functioning, you can click on yes. You can test your mic. Actually, here you will hear yourself in an echo. You can click on yes when you hear yourself. And then you will arrive in the networking room. So before using it, I will show you how you can edit your profile. Actually, it is really important for you to edit your profile to show the other people what you do and the organization you work with. It's better for networking because it will also help you create your business card on the networking tool. So click on your bubble at the top right of the screen, and it will open this window. So you can set up your status as available or busy. I will recommend you to stay available. You can set up the visual. You can set up the notifications and the sound notifications. But most important is here the edit your profile. So click on edit your profile. It will make you leave the room. So say yes. And then here you can change your first name, your last name, how it is displayed. You can change your photo, and you can add your personal information. So your job, the company or the organization you work for, your website, and what you do. So you can basically type it, what you want. And add your social networks, and allow all the participants connected in the same online space to see the data. Then once you're done, click on save, and the changes are saved. To go back to the space, you can either click on back or type again the link here. So I will click on previous to go back to the networking room. So now I am back, but apparently I can talk. So why Alice can I talk? Can't I talk?
It's absolutely normal, Julien. So when you arrive in the room, you arrive on the central table, so the principal table. And on this table, only administrative rights allow you to speak. So basically what you can do to interact with us, you can either raise your hand at the top of the screen, or you can use the live chat. So it's at the bottom right of your screen. And you can see here that on the live chat, you have two options. So if you choose the table option, you are interacting with everyone around the table. Then you can use the private chat. So on the private chat, you can send a message to one person around the table. So here I'm the only other person, but you can send a message to me and only I will see it. Okay. The other way to interact with us, if you can only say that you're okay or that everything is fine, you can use the reactions on your bubble. So you will see that you can show that you like it, you're thinking about it, or you can upload it. Okay, so now that we're done, what you can do when I give you the microphone, so if you can raise your hand again, I will give you the mic and the access.
So I click here.
Perfect. So now I can see you and I can hear you.
Thank you, Alice.
So when someone is sharing a screen, you will see that it can appear very small. So don't worry, there's the way to make it appear full screen. So first I'll share my screen and you'll see how it works. Okay, so here I'm sharing, for example, the BLUMORPHO page on the screen. So what you see on the screen is very small because you are unzoomed. So you can either make the screen bigger at the bottom of your screen and focus on content. So this will allow you to continue to see the people present around the table. The other way to see it as big as you can is to display it full screen. So here is the button to make it full screen. So once the presentation is done, you will see that you can come back to the room view. So first you need to escape the full screen mode. And then you can click on the table icon and you see that you come back to the room view. Then what we are going to do is we are going to move around and you will see the different tables in the room. So to do that, you need to unzoom. And you see the different tables in the room once you've zoomed out completely, okay? So to move around, to go to another tables, you have two options. The first one is to click on join a table. So Julien, maybe you can go to table 1 and click on join. Perfect. The other way to move around is to click on your bubble and to drag it to another table like this. So it's very important to understand that on each table you can have different conversations, and on each table you can't hear the conversations going on the other tables. So you can move around freely, and the advantages of these other tables is that you can activate your microphone and camera freely and share your screen. So as I said, here you can activate your microphone and camera, but you can share your screen. So Julien, show us how to share the screen. Great. So once you click on the table, you see a little cross in a blue square. And here you can share either a document, a collaborative note, a YouTube video, or share the screen completely. The important thing to remember is if you share a document, it's exactly like a live room, and the document will remain on the table even if you exit the room. So if you're sharing some kind of confidential information, don't forget to stop the screen sharing once you leave.
Now I know how to use the platform. I will just give you some information on how you can manage your account. So if you click on the burger menu on the top left of the screen, you access two parts, so the space part and the My Account part. First, the My Account part allows you to edit your profile again, manage your password on the security part, and delete your account if you want on the preferences. If you want to access other spaces, like this one, but for other meetings, you can click here on My Spaces. It will make you leave the room and access other kind of spaces or networking room. Basically, if I want to go back in the BLUMORPHO meeting room, I click on BLUMORPHO meeting room, and then I'm back at the central table as I was at the beginning. So now you're ready to use our networking room, and have now to wish you the best experience on and the best networking on this unique tool. Thank you. Bye, Alice.
Thank you. Bye, Julien.